Today is Monday, February 28th. This is the 1971 to 1975 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuator. This is the 879-1129 variant that I've rebuilt for my friend Marius in Poland. So the unit's been completely disassembled, totally restored, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is generally the condition that most of these door solenoids arrive in, where they're totally seized and fused together. So the unit is completely disassembled, precision lapped. The catalytic igniter is replaced. The solenoids are rewired, and the plunger is precision lapped, as well as the copper receiving bore. So I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test under power, and we'll test extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension. So that's the 1971 to 1975 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuator. This is the 879-1129 variant as opposed to the 879-1128. Okay, the left and right hand units. So this will be shipping out as soon as I get the okay to ship. Reply confirmation from Marius in Poland. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado items in my collection. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power door locks, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, February 28th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.